Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to mute notifications or enable Do Not Disturb on Webex. So first, open the app on your device. Now, once you open Webex app, click on your profile at the top left. Now, here it will open your profile and preferences. Next, look for availability and tap on that. And go to change availability. So here you have busy and do not disturb. So click on do not disturb and set do not disturb for how many minutes? 1 hour, 2 hours, 30 minutes. You can choose 12 hours, 7 days, 14 days, or you can even custom it. So if you want to custom it, just click on custom and select the date you want. So for example, I'm going to select May 20. You can also change the time in here, AM or PM, whichever you prefer. Once done, click on Save. And next, click on the arrow right here to go back. And as you can see, it has now been set to Do Not Disturb on that specific date that I want. You can also select Busy and set the time that you want, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 12 hours, or you can also click on Custom. Now let's go back and click on Do Not Disturb again. Now, if you change your mind and you don't want to mute the notifications anymore, you just click on Clear at the top right. And as you can see, it has now been set to available. So once you go back and click on Busy, you see it changed automatically when I changed the Do Not Disturb button. And that's basically it. So you just have to click your profile, go to availability, and go to Do Not Disturb. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.